Hello guys, FPS American here from HELLFIREFILMS101, and today I'm doing a very short review of the Dickies pocket knife, which it's a very manual, pretty good knife. It has pretty good strength of the blade, can cut through small sticks. At least that's what I've done. It's not even my knife. Jack from Hellfire Films forgot it at my house. And let's just start. It has a screwdriver, like a nail, a thing to get dirt out of under your nail right here. Corkscrew for if you're a grown-up who needs to open a thingy. See, so this is what you have so far. Over here is where the dangerous parts are of it. Let me set this down. Here's the knife itself, right there, like that. Let me open. Sorry, guys. You have a pair of scissors. Let's see. Let me get this stuff out. I've never opened this before. I don't know, like a bottle opener or a corkscrew or something. Not a corkscrew, like a bottle opener. Then, whatever this is. I can't get that. It's probably just like another corkscrew thing. Or something. And that's just about all for this knife. It's pretty cool. Here, to show you what I can do. So there, it's pretty cool. And don't ask me why I have a knife and why my cousin has a knife either. It's a pretty nice knife. I recommend it. I don't know what it's called since it's not my knife. He just left it here and I decided I got bored. I would do a YouTube video, so I did this. And bye.